In this video, I'll talk about how long it takes for cash to settle in Webull. Now, it's different from whatever one you want to do. So if you're doing stocks and ETFs, it will follow this settlement period, which is the trade date plus 2 business days. So if you see here, the funds will settle on a Wednesday if you sell it on a Monday. Now for options, it's the same, just instead of 2 business days, it will be 1 business day. And if you're doing deposits, it will usually take up to 4 to 5 business days to fully clear, but you may get the instant buying power up to a certain limit. That's how that usually works. And for withdrawals, it's just once the funds are settled, it will take about 1 to 5 business days to transfer it to your bank account. So for the withdrawals one, if it's been a week and you still haven't gotten it, I would recommend you contact the support, but wait at least a week, since 5 business days can be the whole week. So just keep that in mind, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.